How to change Roblox background theme. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this easy tutorial. To change your Roblox background theme, open up your Chrome web store or just search for Roblox theme in the search bar. You'll be redirected in here and select on Roblox themes. Once you are in here, navigate to the bottom that is Add to Chrome. Select on the button given to you. Tap on Add Extension. Wait until it is downloaded. Now once the extension is added to our Chrome or website, just open up your Roblox. Tap on the extension icon and click on the theme extension. Select on the theme that you prefer. Then refresh your Roblox website. As you can see, the Roblox theme has been changed. You can download some of the more additional themes if you want to by tapping on the Add New button and browse according to your preference. So that is how you'll be able to change your Roblox background theme easily. Make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.